Are you in the market for a new sofa? Well, you've come to the right place. In this ultimate sofa guide, we're going to cover everything you need to know to make the perfect choice for your living room. Let's start with the basics: size. Measure your space carefully to ensure the sofa fits perfectly. Consider the length, depth, and height of the sofa to make sure it's the right fit for your needs. Next up, style. Sofas come in various designs, from sleek and modern to cozy and traditional. Choose a style that complements your existing decor and reflects your personal taste. Now, let's talk about materials. Leather sofas offer a luxurious feel and are easy to clean, while fabric sofas offer a wide range of patterns and colors. Pick a material that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Comfort is key. Test the sofa before you buy it. Sit on it, lie down, and see if it provides the comfort and support you desire. Remember, you'll spend a lot of time on your sofa, so it should be super comfortable. Don't forget about functionality. Some sofas come with built-in storage, while others can be converted into a bed. Determine what additional features are important for you and choose accordingly. Finally, let's talk budget. Set a realistic budget and stick to it. There are sofas available at various price points, so you're bound to find one within your budget that meets all your requirements. So there you have it, the ultimate sofa guide. We hope this video has provided you with all the information you need to choose the perfect sofa for your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fantastic home decor tips and tricks.